Hello everyone. Oh my god. MANITEX se 2022 da ay yawzarame adui matungda yawba phangidre kaigino adi tawkhidabagi adubu finally MANITEX is back. MANITEX 2025 na lakpasida mayamda yaifa paujel pizari che hoise dum photos namam bane do ata chingchilage kamain to bige MANITEX se finally 22 da lepura matungda muk 25 ta muk lakpase kai phawbi ge che hoy
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ
dadi
ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯦꯟ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯊꯣꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯦꯕꯀꯣ
mane
ꯕꯠ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯇꯨꯝꯖꯜꯂ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯗꯦꯕ
mane mane
ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯣꯁꯅꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯐꯒꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯦꯜ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯗꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯇꯨꯝꯖꯜꯂ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤꯀꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯕꯦꯛꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯅꯤꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯔꯥꯏꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅꯒ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯨꯔꯕꯣ ꯆꯦ ꯍꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯍꯧꯒꯦ
ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯅꯦ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯩꯌꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯗꯁꯦ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯄꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ
ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯗꯦꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯏꯊꯥ ꯊꯥꯖꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯜ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯒꯤꯒ ꯃꯦꯂꯥ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯅꯥꯊꯩꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯔꯇꯦꯟꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯁꯜꯂꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ
ꯀꯩ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯆꯦ ꯍꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯦ
ꯗꯣꯜ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯇꯣꯏ
ꯗꯣꯜ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯇꯣy ꯁꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ MANITEXꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯗꯣꯜ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯇꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔꯗ ꯁꯨꯡꯁꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯆꯪꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯁꯣ ꯃꯆ ꯇꯥꯔꯒ ꯆꯦꯒ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯩ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯔꯦ MANITEX ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯎꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤꯀꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯗꯗꯥꯅ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤꯀꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯊꯍꯟꯗꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯩ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯩ MANITEXꯀꯤ ꯐꯖꯔꯕ ꯗꯤꯖꯥꯏꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯎꯠꯆꯒꯦꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯍꯟꯖꯔꯛꯄꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯝꯅ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯎꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯎꯔꯤꯖꯥꯠꯂꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯎꯔꯤ ꯑꯣ ꯅꯥꯏꯁ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯣ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏ MANITEX ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯣ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯣ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯣ
Nungaye.
ꯃꯔꯝ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯎꯀꯣ ꯕꯥꯏ ꯕꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯌꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ MANITEX 2025ꯀꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯏꯚꯦꯟꯠ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯏꯟꯑꯞꯇ ꯊꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯦꯁꯟ ꯁꯣꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯏꯁꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯂꯦꯝꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯏꯚꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯈꯟ ꯃꯈꯟ ꯊꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯦ MANITEXꯀꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯁꯣꯝ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯆꯪꯒꯗꯣꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯔꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯃꯅꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯗꯤꯌꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯐꯅꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯁꯨ ꯑꯥꯗ ꯎꯔꯦ ꯁꯣ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯦꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛ ꯇꯤꯚꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯀꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯊꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯇ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯎꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯈꯤꯇꯪꯗꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯦꯁꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯔ ꯗꯤꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯜꯂꯣ ꯁꯔ Oh, we also have a mic. I don't think we need the mic though, because it's for the live. Mic darkar tado mande da adum thamora. Okay, thank you. We are so glad to have you, sir. Thank you so much. We are so glad to have you here. What are your thoughts on MANITEX? Because like till 22, I was there in 22 as well, and we're coming back, after 22 and coming back 25. How do you feel about it?
This Manitex 2025, as you were there in 2022, I am here in 2025. And you see yourself the change and how it has gone to the next level. And you are here to witness because you have seen 22 as well as 2025.
Yes.
And now you yourself can assess the difference. And I think it is going to be a game changer from this time and going to support our artisans, weavers, and the industry as such,
Correct.
which includes the fashion designers as well as our means all the people who are involved in this industry, and the girls like you, they all will get benefited
Thank you
from
so much.
from this event.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes.
It's also very, very heartwarming to see MANITEX come back because I've been part of MANITEX since 2018, since the time that it started.
Yes.
And it was such heartbreak,
Yeah.
to have it gone for a few years and then
Certainly.
coming back. How do you think it, influences the local artisans in
Is.
ways?
It is because they need exposure.
Exactly.
Without exposure, without meeting the people who come from outside,
Correct.
without understanding the market, without understanding the customer's demand,
True.
they cannot grow. So that is why this kind of events are very much necessary, and that is what we have tried. And this time we, I think the buyers from the 16 countries, they are here, and I think the customers' demand, they will pose before them, and then they will modify or they will diversify their product, and that is the need of the hour.
It is.
Which I feel.
It sure is. Thank you so much,
Thank you very
Shri
much.
Anurag Bajpai. It is such an honor to meet you, sir. And I hope you enjoyed the show because we
course,
have
I
such
will.
amazing models
I will.
waiting inside. Sir, can I take a moment of yours, please? Maitai lon ta hangjage yabra. Akoigi sir director ne MANITEX sin base sir haidi adum hek mapanda yang padadi lungai thokpa aduga harau tayamba khaktamak ubasa sir gi wakhanda kai haina khanbigen
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯇꯦꯛꯁ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯠꯐꯣꯝ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ
mane
ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ not other state not like other state ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤꯗꯤ weaver and artisan ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯦꯟ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ platform it is a part of life
true
heirloom handicraft is a part of life so 2,300 years ago dagi laiba history is not sakini that is an evidence that
Correct.
heirloom and handicraft activities is a part of life of Manipuris.
true
So, and so this fashion show in this MANITEX, it is a commerce, that means it is a business.
True.
So, that means the products where we are now being showed with the fashion show, that has to be has to be brought up to the level of the business.
correct it's
Business.
not just fashion show
Yeah.
those things are also going to be sold
Yeah, so,
right
so business, that
Exactly,
is a business.
business.
So we have to come up to the level. That's all.
That's very true. Also, sir, we have a lot of stalls. Like, how do you empower the stalls to come up here? Haidi nila ko thita na lakadoini.
Yes.
Do you
So-
think they gain something from this?
Yeah. So, madugidamta Manipur state transport na bus ohum akwai PB.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my
So-
God, I didn't know this.
Yes. So all the participants
Amazing.
we have provided logistic support and
Oh.
accommodation also, and the ferrying toy moi ade bazar
Oh, really?
Chejut hostel the thami
That's
then
great.
we there jig bus na sa porak toy ni then amok hana thindoi ni. So
Oh.
and for public we have provided buses to another buses
Okay.
started from the JM hall.
Oh, khangdaba yam yawnga na aisu khangandrise.
adum lakpiba yani free da ni adum free da mayam je ferry tawdoi ni.
Oh, adudi Impact TV amasung KhutSem Live ki khuthangdagi yengbiriba mayamna lakpiningba taragasu GM Hall da dum
Yes.
bus lairabani
Adum laigani.
sitana pubirakadoini aduga MANITEX se yengba yagadoini haibani. Thank you so much, sir. I've always been a fan of you. I've been a part of MANITEX, like I said, since 2018, and I've been seeing you. Hey. I hope you enjoyed the show. We'll models jam phajabane muning view. Thank you so much again, sir. Hello. All right. Mapan gidi hapetong thengnaru re. Akhoi sa model manung da kai tawrim ta yengusira. Nahangoi di pushillamoi ne live ka tawraga model manak ta keba khotba pushillamoi ba. Ngasi di akhoi KhutSem Live amasung Impact TV gi ani je KhutSem naraga hekta pushillage haina tawraga pushindoi ne. Yara salo, yara draw pushillak ba. Okay. Hello. Oh my God. Yam fazay. Hi. I know oy na di masak tulang khang na iba ko. Ay oy na masak lang khang iba. Si ma'am si tori ma'am si Jen green ma'am si su. Jen giba yaroy. All right. Matang laki. Tete da han Jen jalla sira. Tete ah. Atay
Imanabi have sorry.
Imanabi. Atay uba ay na naman han Jen si kay gino. Mane, of course, akhoi tete phazar ha thain dei sudum phazar lai hajik sudum phazari sumna sum phazar doi ni kai khang de ngo ibani se kha law ro ma ga sumai life olak pa da yam se lem ko lem se ko yam chi
Lang mani khat pa hai bia de lang zaba
ne
am lang lo gani ko khat le na
question nama hange achamba ma model amoina thaina MANITEX su yaura iko akhoi je akhoi punna dum yaura idana ado MANITEX se koina lepuraba matungda amuka lakpasa model amoina kai phawbige aduga sisna kayam yamna akhoi dasu haidi model amoina kayam kanaba pige habdo kai khange
ahan bada hari kuina lepura matung da aigi di MANITEX na khwaidigi hadi am chawba soina phangjagi bari 2019 da aina pool B na pool A oigi bada pun gide koina ano boirak pagi ada yam tinungai hadi yam tina professional oina tawe hadi mi model amamgi mingchala amam ka thammaga hadi am fazana changak padati harau bidu oiba aduga amu matam kuina hadi corona na dagi hadi akhoi sizik Manipur da thoiba thodok lansna lepura matungda halak 2025 ta lakpasida yam ti haro MANITEX tawdori hai harau chicken na phone tori nang so ai kai amon hagai do so yaw dine hai chicken na dumai tor ga yaw khre aduga MANITEX hai se ha fashion khakishna te akhoi sigi manungda leiriba akhoi gi hadi handloom gi kai gi meam textile si meam sigi hadi akhoi injaraga puthok jabani hadi akhoi na khak hadi model hadi dum
mayam di hanger
ni da dum aya laga kai hadi moina hotna zabado manungda aduga so khak suna te sida hadi stall kaya ama su phame chana ba de khoi singju bora khoi Manipur gi aduguma mayam ma phange adum mapan de gi shula aga phame ai ngasai happy changmu ye ada yam de kan akhoi de yam kan ba pi aduga khani MANITEX torok pa yam harawe yam nungai lo chaninge hai chaninge
Thank you so much, Tete. Thank you so much. Aina ningsing jabase 2019 gi 19 jan lamboi khongrang khong da tawkhibra khoisa. Lamboi khongrang khong tawi ko. Matam du da tawkhibane to ga yam nungai na tawki hai batare ko. Thank you so much. Hazara nai tharama hore.
Thank you.
Love you more. Akhoi gi model sing se yamna thaina dagi hauna punjarak pane. Ado tongan ba show kaya ama tho utaraga so MANITEX ki show thok tore hai taraga di akhoi se yam harau jaba hai gadra pukning se dum nungshiraga kama hai duno matum mara mahujaba so nupa gi ka oidone semtang amtang changjarakke ya bro okay thank you oh wow model mayam ama su lotion biri chen gi biya roi Alright, so we have a Manipur gi model mayam ama lairi hai tare Nikhil akhoi aigi nungsi jaraba inaw hai batare MANITEX ta show thok pase kai phawi har hangage
yam excited oi haiba tare ko haibati ku irabai matung da silak pani na ko I the first time oi done ba ko adana yam excited oi adana swaina secha ba khoi Manipur gi own handloom and handicraft hai tare ko kona isa da utlaga thok do isa yam excited oi adagi puning de shuka hai tare nungai ba phau bo haibati uttore setore chattore haibai pot adana yam nungai hai tare
nangi khwai de post ta ba post am taraga MANITEX 2025 am thairo yeng
taurage ko ning thau sarage ko
na saro man ba man da badi khangde
MANITEX 2025
kitang wale ngai ko sorry langna mane yaman gre all right model mayam ma su thengnare oh did you know international models su ko jabane khoi MANITEX ki oina aduga lazar hana ma lo shilli adagi somdana kate haina Russia dagi lae adai zanvi ma se femina miss India Manipur da tawkhibada adui matam du da ai gi contest oina Sikkim dai lakhibada mayam lai khang bane do singsoi da ikai imana bi mayam thengna ready or ba hey at the stage hojala sira yes hojam biar ba Kate, are we ready? Yay! All right. How's the number to say that? I might consider at the long time. I stay some Mokado in it. Check. Check. Hello. Check. Stage yam ngale aduga sorga amta hon ngamdre. So akoi stage thom dai ngak tang je da aina tawbase pajana lining tholai mare je khoiram maga thokpane ngasi ju adum pukning da chingsillaga khoiram jabane ado ai ready oirabati malle. I'm waiting. Strela standing by. Strela stand by the later har kanam lakpidre. Presenting MANITEX 2025. A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ngasi lengsin biriba, mangda lengsin biriba audiences haizaba tare doga khoigi special guest singi mafam dasu khurum jabaga loinana taram nok cheri akhoigi maning da lei biriba ichile now sing busu mamang da thazariba chair se mayam kidamakta nungaina phammaga lakadoriba show makal se yengna ba haina thajabani aduna chair da lengsin laga dumak yengbiyu kitang nungai ga daba male ngasi gi se ko aina haijuna badi nate ai di haijuna dabane. All right, MANITEX se 2018 dagi ai di MANITEX se dum yauraga lakshabane tongan ba show kaya amasu dum tauki mamangda. We have had a lot of shows preceding to this year, and it has always been exciting. MANITEX always had my heart. But before everything, I have a small tradition that I have always kept, which is to pray. So I will just explain it to our guests here. We have a belief that all the land, small lands in all the parts of Manipur is looked after by different deities. And we have this thing, wherein we pray to that certain deity to protect us and to bless us. And I would like to take that moment. Ngasi lengshin biriba mayam ga loinana. Lamdam masibu yengshin biriba kon biriba. Ibudaw ibendo ima ipada thawni bagi tanja adumatang lauminasi. Lamdam masibu kon biriba ibudaw ibendo ima ipa nachai khoide karisu khangjaba nate. Lamdam masida ima ipagi Leikol asida laktuna aikhoi mayamna sanajaba lila asida asoi angam hairoidaba haikiba charoidaba chakiba yaurabasu apangba nachani nasuni khanna ngakpiyu. MANITEX 2025 asibusu yengshinbiyu asoi angam pumnamaktagi ngakthokpiyu. Thagachari. Ooh, that was out. So this has always been a tradition that I have always followed, and it has helped me through so many stages, and I'm sure it will protect all of us. Loinana aigi mamangda lengshin biriba somgi aigi oi thangba haijaba tare somda lengshin biriba khoigi guessing ase aikoina haizaruba matamda nungshina MANITEX pu support obiraga handloom bu support obiraga lakpiba aikoigi guest ngaktani Mr. Shri Anurag Bajpai, Somna Sulengshin Bire, Akoigi, Sir Director Sulengshin Bire, also all our exporters and supporters, Haizabatare, Somna Su Mama Chiche, Mayama Lengshin Bire, Yam Nungaize, Yang Javada. Akoigi Ngasigi shows, we have a series of shows and music lined up. Ahoba, the opening of MANITEX 2025 will be nothing but mesmerizing because we have a wide range of collection from Indira. Mahak Asi, she is a national awardee in designing. She has helped many through her work expertise. Also the collection, the most beautiful thing is, the collection that she is going to show today has been woven by the internally displaced persons of Manipur. And I think she deserves a huge round of applause for that very reason. Chanu Creation Gi, she is also the proprietor of Chanu Creation, and we are ready to have the models rampage the ramp. But accompanying her will be a contemporary music experts, Haijabatare, Aikoina Yamna Tabadasu Nungaiba. It is a blend of ancient traditional music of Manipur that has been blended with modern touch to create a fresh sprinkle of magic. And we have the Nongpok Naha, awakening from the east. Please welcome Nongpok Naha. Nongpok Naha for everyone. Nongpok Naha, awakening from the east, ignites ancient Manipuri folk rhythm with bold contemporary soul. Fronted by Ngantoibi Ningthaujam, a renowned folk singer and theater artist, Rajesh Khomdram, a skilled pena artist. On the percussion and langden, we have Mocha Kangjam. On the guitar, we have Monish Atokpam. And on the bass, we have Dinku Ningombam, presenting Nongpok Naha, awakening from the east. The Showstopper, all the way from Sikkim, Femina Miss India Sikkim 2023, and the renowned model Zanvi. And now, the creator herself, please welcome Kedrimayam Indira, the curator and provider of Chanu Creations. On the theme, the loom of light and shadow, where every thread represents the duality, heritage and innovation, darkness and hope, presenting Chanu Creations.
Check. Mathangi isay asidi Panthoy behind a mingthon ba isay atu mayam na khudol tamjage.
ningshingjaba ama media ki camera leiriba aduga akhoigi media representative leiriba mamangda yengbiriba manitex punung shibiduna lakpiriba akhoigi audiences haizaba tare camera gi mamangda lanbi danaba haina ningshingjabani live su thaza bana maram oiraga live tagi yengbiriba ichil now singi maphamda फजदबा ओइना ओहलोइसी अखोय मयाम पुन्ना मनीटेक्स बु फजना यामना नुंगाइबा इवेंट अमा ओहन्नबगिदमक्ता मयाम पुन्ना होटनमिनसी थागचरी
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒ ꯇꯠꯅ ꯊꯥꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯐꯣꯛ ꯁꯣꯡ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯔꯥꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯒꯗꯕ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯅꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯕ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯇꯝꯖꯒꯦ thoina hawa haidi chindam bahainida sikla mai kharamara kumbi hanjalapada sikla mai kharamara kumbi hanjalapada sikla ki kai dong kham kham pe dona kumbi yare khun lai tre dona kumbi kang rong na khare sabi ne macha pa mo bi singung ki sanna long da dagi pai bi rak lo da singung ki sanna long da dagi pai bi rak lo da hai rang khoi ni da sa ba hai ni da sibu thoi na hau ba hai ti sindam ba hai ni da hai rang khoi ni da sa ba hai ni da sibu thoi na hau ba hai ti sindam ba hai ni da lam son bin in lam yai da lam son bin in lam yai da mono na ware potha lam son bin in lam yai da mono na ware potha ba ipang mi lam dang ye no wa nung shiva lam dang tam ho re ipang mi lam dang ye no wa nung shiva lam dang tam ho re sabi ne macha pa mo bi singung ki sanna long da dagi pai bi rak lo da singung ki sanna long da dagi pai bi rak lo da hai rang khoi ni da cha ba hai ni da sibu thoi na hau ba hai di chinam ba hai ni da hai rang khoi ni da sa ba hai ni da sibu thoi na hau ba hai di chinam ba hai ni da sibu thoi na hau ba hai di chinam ba hai ni da sibu da thoi na hau ba hai di chinam ba hai ni da Tagachiri, thank you. Wow. Whew. The fact that I can proudly say this is how beautiful our tradition and culture is. Yamna chauthokna. You know, I can say like asuk yauna phazai ko aikhoi gi culture amasing tradition se haiba ngambagi adugumba gift haitare adugumba ma pinabibagi damakta I would like to sincerely thank our team and also the mesmerizing collections from Madam Indira. We have another round of fashion showcase. Are we still in the mood for some fashion show? Yes? All right, okay. Are we still in the mood for some more fashion? I only hear 1 yes now. Songi group sa kitang talle yade. Fashion amuka tawag gisiro. Yes, that's it. Somdadi. Are we still ready for some fashion show? Nagsiye, I love you eh. All right. Ngasigi oina,
ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯦꯁꯟ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯃꯇꯪꯒ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤ. Presenting another mesmerizing fashion collection from no one but Basan Charam Namkhang. Mayamgidamakta Basan Charam Namkhang. Basan Charam Namkhang is not just a collection. It is an emotion, stories of threads representing the revival of our culture and tradition. Presenting Basan Charam Namkhang. presenting the creator himself, Basan Charam. It is not just a collection, it is a story woven in threads, a celebration of identity and revival of the timeless artistry of Manipuri handloom, presenting Basan Charam. That was indeed a glamorous and fantastic collection by Basan Charam. It is truly an honor to witness such extravagant fashion parade. But ngasigi, before we say goodbye, I would like to take a few minutes of your time. Mayam kaina dringay, bye haina dringay, the minute ahum kakang lauzage. But before that, may I have the honor to call upon the stage. I know, sir, it's getting a little cold, it's getting a little comfortable, but may I have you on stage? Please welcome the additional Chief Secretary, Shri Anurag Bajpai, along with our Director, Handloom and Textile, Shri Ilangbam Jiten Singh. And also, sir, it's a request to please felicitate the international models who came all the way from different parts of the world to grace MANITEX. May we have Zanvi Sharma, all the way from Sikkim, Femina Miss India, Sikkim 2023. Thank you so much, sir. It is truly an honor to have such renowned faces representing our beautiful culture at MANITEX today. Can we also have Lazar all the way from Serbia? Mapam atop-atopadagi MANITEX po yauroni haina lakpiriba aikhogi model singkidamakta ahauba khubak amazu nizage. And last but not the least, can we have Kate all the way from Russia? And today's event, the fashion show, would not have been possible without the show director. So can we have on stage Mr. Rakesh Nongmaitim? Thank you so much. And a quick question. Was our models pretty? Were they? Yes? Was our models beautiful? They are naturally beautiful, but makeup kitang diyaw we do need a little bit of makeup to go on stage, right? So may I have on stage Miss Simi Panjobam, a renowned and award-winning makeup artist and prosthetic designer from Manipur. And lastly, could we have a picture together with the models, with Sir and Sir Director? The frame is truly beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you to all the models. But today, it's not the end today. We still have something tomorrow as well, and the day after. So I hope sir would be also gracing us, hoping. If not, then of course, I'll consider it a misfortune from my end, but we're hoping to see you again. Thank you so much again, sir. And to everyone here, ngasi gi show si nungai gi bro. Ta de chalaki. How was the show today, everyone? Aduda, today is just the beginning. It's just the trailer. Like, because we have a lot more lined up tomorrow, the day after, and many more days. Aduna, hayeng gidamakta we have seminars. Hayeng haupadagi hauna we have seminars, and also ngasigi show du gumba, kind of similar, but we will have another set of designers who will be showcasing their amazing designs. Mingoy na Panjaravada, we have Santina Laishram, and we also have Karan Tokchom, and another. Oh, I know everyone would be excited. Kitang lam na layo, ganoy laurok pada, so that I don't get scared when you shout. Tomorrow, tao ko muna tao. Tomorrow we have a musical performance by none other than Sorry Senjom. Hayeng dai modeler nakaniko. I'm coming tomorrow as a model, but I don't know if I'll be able to see him perform. But hopefully we all get to meet again. Hayeng su mayambu ngaijaram ge ngasigi oina di matanga sida adomgi host Strela thaunauzam na ikok no kurum jabagaloine na kaina bagi yathangdu nizage. Thank you everybody.